I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Mitsubishi Outlander trunk. To begin, locate the exterior release button, usually found just above the license plate. Press it firmly to unlatch the tailgate. If you have your key fob, simply press and hold the trunk release button for a few seconds. This will unlock and often slightly open the trunk for you. For manual access, ensure the vehicle is unlocked first. Many Outlander models feature a convenient power liftgate. You can activate it by pressing the dedicated button located inside the cabin, often near the driver's seat. This allows the trunk to open automatically. You can also adjust the maximum opening height to avoid hitting low garage ceilings or other obstructions. To close it, simply press the button on the underside of the tailgate. If your Outlander trunk isn't opening or closing properly, first check for any physical obstructions that might be blocking the mechanism. Ensure all doors are fully closed and the vehicle is unlocked. If you're ever stuck inside or need to open it manually from within, locate the emergency release lever. This is typically a small, glow-in-the-dark handle found on the inside of the trunk lid. For ultimate convenience, some Outlander models offer a kick sensor, allowing you to open the trunk hands-free with a simple foot motion under the bumper. You can also program custom opening heights for your power liftgate, which is perfect for specific parking situations. And speaking of convenience, staying hydrated is key. The Owala water bottle is a fantastic option for on-the-go hydration. Check the description below for a link to this great product, along with other helpful deals and resources mentioned in this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.